Hello everybody, and welcome to this installment of How To. And today we will be looking at the HO Scale Dwarf signal installation presented by SWMRC. I'm your host, Matthew McKelvey, and I am the Lighting and Accessories Technician at the Southwest Model Railroad Club. Here at the Southwest Model Railroad Club, we've been installing these black dwarf signals for our layout, and today I'm going to show you just how to do this yourself. Adding switch-controlled dwarf signals will add realism and animation to any layout. All you need is about 1 to 2 hours time and some electronics experience. This is an intermediate level task. Here we have one of our already installed dwarf signals which has burned out recently, so I will be using it to show you how to build your own signal. The required materials are Tomar or other branded unlighted dwarf signal. We will be using Tomar pre-lighted dwarf signal in this demo, an already installed tortoise switch machine, some miscellaneous 30 gauge wire, one red and one green 2mm LED with one red and one green LED per signal you plan to install, solder and solder iron or gun, and an existing 2-volt signal bus. Here's our demo signal with all the wires already intact. However, we will be removing these to replace both lights. This is our overview of steps. Please pause the video now to read them all. Step 1. Remove the backing. If your signal has a backplate, gently remove it and the lens of your signal to expose 2 holes for your LEDs. Step 2. Install both the red and green LEDs. We will start with the green LED, which will be placed at the top of our signal. Repeat this process for the red lower LED. Ensure both cathodes and anodes line up together. Note, you may need to modify the LEDs to make them fit, like this particular red LED. Step 4. Twist the anodes together. This will form your common ground. Now you should have 3 total wires off your signal. Step 5. Solder a common wire to the anodes. Make sure the wire is long enough to reach your 2-volt light bus. Step 6. Solder one positive wire to each cathode. Remember to be careful not to cross the wires, as this will result in both lights turning on. Remember to insulate each wire from each other to prevent a short. In this case, I used black paint. Step 7. Install the negative common LEDs to the negative of your lighting bus. This is the 2 wires that you twisted together and soldered in steps 4 and 5. Step 8. Install the 2 positive wires from the cathodes to pins 2 and 3 of the tortoise. Pin 2 should be the red LED, and pin 3 should be the green LED, but this may be opposite dependent upon switch position. This is what your signal should look like. Step 9. Install a positive bus wire from a light bus to pin 4 of the tortoise switch machine. Here is a demonstration once the signals are installed. Note the green LED indicating the main line is clear. This can be confirmed by looking at the switch position. Now, watch as the signal turns from green to off to red, and the branch line smaller signal turns to amber, indicating the switch is aligned to the branch line. The branch line can now proceed with caution. Again, switch position can be verified by looking at physical switch points. In the case of a backward switch, one that shows the opposite color than desired, simply switch pins 2 and 3 of a tortoise switch machine. Here a red signal indication is given, even though the main line is lined clear, desiring a green indication. Here is our completed signal installation and working. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.